Hello, good evening once again. Charles, and this video is designed to coach some of the students who are still finding it difficult to calculate their Cgpa, both GPA and Cgpa. So, of course, as simple as it may appear to some, to others, it's a very rigorous task and get student confusing. So I think by the time you finish watching this video, you would have been able to acquire the requisite knowledge that will guide you in calculating your Cgpa by yourself and then keep track of your academic performance in school. So now, before we go, I would like to just introduce some aspect of result that may be confusing or that you need to understand. Now, this result being displayed, it's a result from University of Abuja. So other schools or other institutions may present their result differently, but there are things that are common. Of course, all results will show you there's what we call units or unit registered or the course unit and so on, and then the GP of the result. There is what this grade point for every grade that you earn. If you earn an A, 5 is attached to it. If you earn a B, 4 is attached to it. 4 grade point is attached to it. If you earn a C, 3 grade point is attached to it. If you earn a D, 2 grade point is attached to it. If you earn an E, 1 grade point is attached to it. And if you earn an F, 0 grade point is attached to it. You can see from this display, look at E, 1 grade point, and look at D, 2 grade point. Look at C, 3 grade point, and look at B, 4 grade point. There is no A in this result. Let me check the other result. There is A. We'll check the other one. Okay, look at A. In this is in 313. Look at A, 5 grade point, and the other one with an F. Look at it. In this is 102, 0 grade point, and then each of these courses have this unit attached to them as well. 3 units. Look at these courses. 3 units. This GST 2 units. Go down here, you even see this GST 101B 1 unit. There's no course that 0 unit is attached to anyway. So it's usually between 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe 5 in an extreme case. Well, now looking at this, whatever you use grade you earn, if you earn an E where the course unit is 3, that means it will be 1 times 3 to give you this 3 here under this weighted grade point. If you earn a B where the course unit is 2, like in this Nigerian people and culture, you have 4 multiplied by 2 to give you 8 grade point, 8 weighted grade point. If you earn a C, for instance, where the course unit is 1, that will mean 3 multiplied by 1 to give you 3. So if you look at the way it is being displayed, it means that the course unit have a significant role to play in what weighted grade point you are going to earn at the end of the day. Look at the case of F, where the course unit is 3. So it's 0 times 3, which means 0. You understand now? So, but assuming this is an A, it would have been 5 times 3, which would have been what? 15. You understand? So this is the way the results are displayed and presented. So now let's bring out the calculator and then try to first of all calculate the semester GPA, which is grade point average for first semester, second semester, and then we calculate the session the session where it will be called Cgpa at this time. So from here, you take note of something. The total units that the student registered in first semester was 19, and the weighted grade point that the student earned, which is gotten from multiplying the grade point by the unit and so on. So it is all calculated to be what? 43. So how do you get the Cgpa? Is by dividing the weighted grade point by the total weighted grade point by the total unit registered. So you have 43 divided by 19, and this will give you 2.26 as it is presented here. You see it here. This first semester, this semester GPA 2.26. Now go for the second semester. You do the same. 49 divided by 19 will give you 2.58 approximately. If you look at it, 2.58. Then for the session Cgpa, what you do is to add up the total unit registered in first and second semester together, which is 19 plus 19. That will give you 38. So you note that down somewhere. Then you now add the total weighted grade point and in first semester, which is 43, with that and in second semester, which is 49. This will give you 92. So you divide this 92 by the 38, which we have earlier gotten, the total unit register 38. Now this will give you 2.42. This is not captured here in this result. So this is how you calculate it. You have your sessions Cgpa, cumulative grade point average. This is how you will be adding up the units and the units registered and the unit and the weighted grade point end. This is how you will be adding them up and dividing from 100 level to 200 to your final year. It is not the way that most students do, where you will add up first semester Cgpa or first semester GP and second semester GP and divide by 2, or add first semester GP, second semester GP, third of 100 level, add that of 200 level and divide by 3 or divide by 4. That is not what is done. In the next video, I will also bring another result, and which will be a 200 level result that does not belong to the same candidate anyway. So I'm just calculating something that I know will be useful to you. So you take the 200 level result and add it again to what we have here. That is how you get to we do till the final year, so that you will know how it is cumulative. It is called cumulative, or why it is called cumulative. And then the reason that some of you also find it difficult to understand why you think that, okay, in this semester I made A's, I made B's, but what happened? The Cgpa is not growing. You will understand by the time we finish the calculations and everything. Thank you for watching. Watch out for part 2 of this same video. Make sure you watch, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel for more educative videos like this. Thank you and remain blessed.